Let me start this video by asking a question to all of you who are watching this video. How many times have you wished that you had a good bag that can carry your helmet? Something like this. You finished your ride, you are probably got onto a trail and you have to climb, and you find carrying your helmet is one of the biggest challenge. If your answer is yes, stay tuned to this video. If your answer is no, comment below and tell me why have you chosen to say no. I'll see you guys right after this intro video. Wow, and welcome back to Know Your Gears on Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. In Know Your Gears, we talk everything about riding gears, riding pans or luggage system, and today I'm going to talk about Shellsack for your helmet, and this is a product sent to me by Dirtsack. So let me just get that for you right away. So that's the Shellsack from Dirtsack. Apart from this, they've also sent me another product. Let me show you that as well. That is this Max 20. This is another very interesting product. So we'll talk about both this product. Before I start this, let me start with this now, and then I will get on to the Max 20. So we have the Dirtsack Shellsack. Wow. Look at the color of this bag. It looks absolutely stunning, and the very look of it itself is very attractive. So this is called the Enduro Shellsack. So they come in two different variants. One is the Road Shellsack and then the Enduro Shellsack. The difference between these two are the Road Shellsack is for regular full face helmet of different size and color or shape, whatever you have. And this particular one is for ADV helmets for all kinds of shapes and sizes. So look at this. Let me give you a 360-degree view of this bag. So basically, when you look at the very construction of this bag, you have three different colors. So it has a base color which is gray. You have yellow color in the mid segment, and then you have a black stripe on the top. And if you look at the front, you have a small sticker or a print which is a reflective from Dirtsack. That's very nice. And when you look at these zips, the zip that they've used are YKK zip. That is one of the best that you can get. Very good. So it has almost around 320-degree zip. So not 360-degree, 320-degree. You have a small portion which you can't open. So otherwise it's got almost 320-degree zip. And when you open, the entire inside of this sack is padded with foam. That is to ensure it is soft, very well padded. And this particular bag can hold on any ADV helmet of any size and shape. So I have MT Falcon, that's my helmet. So the difference between the Road Shellsack and this is, in your ADV helmet you have this additional beak which extends, and the size of the helmet becomes a slightly bigger compared to your road helmet. So that's why the difference. And when you look at this, when you close it, you will see this portion protruding out is because of the beak. And there you have. So I travel a lot and I also attend a lot of events. One of the biggest problem that I face is carrying your helmet around. So especially if you are visiting IBW, or it could be Rider Mania or any biking event, or for the matter of fact you've reached a location and you have to trek. You can't keep your helmet on the motorcycle. A lot of time you have a good expensive helmet, and scenarios are you're in a remote area and you can't really trust what's happening around. It's always better to carry your helmet with you. So it's very important to have one of this. I'm also going to review this particular product. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscription button right away and also hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update so that you don't miss on what's next. So in this video I'm going to review only this. In my next video I'm going to review the Max 20, very interesting product from Dirtsack. Now coming on to the Shellsack. So if you look at the top, you have a very good handle, so that is to carry if you are just carrying your bag like this. And when you look at the back, you have multiple other hooks that they've given and straps as well. So if you look at the standalone strap here on the top, this is if you want to use this Shellsack as a sling bag. So you can just adjust the height and use this as a sling bag, and you can carry it anywhere. And this also serves different purpose. So if you want to use this Shellsack as a tank bag or a tail bag, so this is very important when you use this as a tail bag or a tank bag. When you want to use this as a backpack, you just unclip this, and the other side that you have to clip it on, and in less than 10 seconds this bag converts into a backpack. That's simple. You are sorted to walk how much ever kilometers you want. You are very sure that your helmet is taken care, it's safe, it's within the bag, it's got a good foam packing as well, so nothing can happen. No scratches on your visor, no scratches on your helmet, and that way you have safeguarded your helmet. So which is another very good reason why someone should look at buying one of these, and I find them absolutely useful, especially when you travel also, especially when you are on flight. You can't just carry your helmet just like that. You need to have a bag, and by having one of these you are sure that helmet is taken care and it's very well protected. So let me show you one more feature. So if you go at the very bottom, there's a zip here. So very smartly what Dirtsack has done is, the space that you have within your helmet, that can be used as storage space. So you can keep your gloves easily there without any problem. You can carry your wallet, you can keep it there, and anything that you feel can get into the space available, you can just keep it there very easily, and then no stress. You can carry it wherever you want, and it looks stylish as well. And they come in two different colors. So the one which I have got is the grey, yellow and black. The other color that you get is a grey and black color. So that's the two different colors that you have. Overall construction of this particular bag is very good quality, and it's value for money also. So talking about the cost of this helmet sack, so this is priced at 1,650, and the road variant is priced at 1,450. At any point in time, if you wish to buy one of these, I'm going to give you a couple of links on the description. You can go click that link and purchase one. And every helmet lover or motorcycle owner should have one of these. If you have an ADB helmet, this is the right sack that you would want. And if you are having a road helmet, so this is the sack, that is the one you can see in the screen. This is the kind of helmet bag that you would want to watch. And like I mentioned, stay tuned for this product as well. So I'm going to review this next. So that's all from my end. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share this video, especially with all your friends who love their helmet, and they were looking at a product something like this. They wanted a helmet bag. So please do share with them. Until the next video, please stay at home, stay safe, vaccinate yourself if you haven't. Bye bye for now.